Guys, hope you all having a good morning or good day, good afternoon, depends on when this video is gonna get uploaded. But I'm about to get the day started. There's a few things I need to do, and today actually remember to take off my case, because for me at least I feel like the case makes it a little muffled, or you hear a bunch of like fucking noise because it's like waterproof. Finally remember to take it off. I'm gonna take you guys throughout my day. I'll see what goes on. Just trying to daily upload, not daily upload, but I guess my Bluetooth cut off my recording. But like I was saying, I'm trying to upload every weekend, so I'm gonna try and put out 3 videos, pre-record them and everything. But we'll see what happens. I actually do. I don't know about my GoPro. Yeah, I don't, but I'll charge it when I come back home. And I'll do some downshifting, pulls, revving, whatever. I haven't gotten time to do the just the exhaust video, so then later on I can compare it after I get the tune. But I will most likely be doing it this weekend, so be looking out for that. Since I'm at a red light, I also forgot to mention that today I'm gonna be ordering my valve covers, so that should be getting fixed soon. After my valve covers, I'm just gonna buy some spark plugs. Probably gonna spend like 80 bucks on that shit. But yeah, once I order that, I'm gonna order my uprev, and should be, I don't know how long, depending on how long the uprev takes to get here, and it'll take most likely around 2 weeks just to finish off my tune, just straight sending emails to one another, data logging and shit like that.
Ooh, honey, I like
It needs some TCL. Alright guys, so I left my GoPro charging. By the time I get back, should be fully charged, and then I'll give you guys a few clips of the car. It's mainly going to be aiming at the TOMEI, so we'll see if there's any flames. Never seen them before. So that's charging, and right now I'm going to end up buying my valve covers. And what else? I have the multimeter to check my O2 sensor, so we're going to be checking that tomorrow. It's going to be a different video. And then after that, after the labor's done for the valve covers, get the uprev, and we'll go from there. And I'll record the whole process in between the 2 weeks of the whole tune, and also the data logs. We're at it again. This time we're gonna try to do it differently, right? Right, Annie? If you want to try and do this, get 3M high strength and 90% contact adhesive. Wait, what? 40%? Some bullshit. Duct tape. And in this case, 2 bags, which we'll probably have left over. And 33-cent paper. And it should be in like in this corner. Are you gonna wanna like finish those touch-ups or?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna do that after the clowns.
Yeah.
I think we need some TCL. And let me see, I need to open the cart. Tomorrow I'm gonna have to wash it. And tonight I'm gonna order my valve covers. And they should be coming in about maybe a week. And then I'll upload an install video. Actually no, I'm paying somebody to do that. Last time I tried to do it was pretty confusing. Luckily I got the car all back together without any problems. And yeah, so we'll get that going tonight. And it shouldn't take more than like 2 days to complete the fucking valve cover shit. Can you see anything?
Yeah.
So right now we're gonna put this on, but I actually need to get the other piece.
different, man, in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Big girl, you want me cause I got the dope. That's like a ride on my freaking